In this video, you will learn how to make a DIY kaleidoscope for your Instax Square SQ6 instant camera. This simple tool will allow you to create unique symmetrical and abstract effects in your prints. For this project, you will need 3 rectangular mirrors, duct tape, your Instax camera, and scissors. To assemble your kaleidoscope, first open and clean your mirrors for clear reflections. Next, cut 2 small strips of duct tape. Attach these to the long edges of 2 mirrors, making sure the mirrored surfaces face each other. Ensure the mirror edges are aligned tightly together so no tape is visible when you look through the kaleidoscope. Once those 2 mirrors are joined, secure the final mirror's open edges to the structure with more duct tape. To make your kaleidoscope extra sturdy, wrap additional duct tape all around the exterior. You can personalize your kaleidoscope if you wish. With your kaleidoscope ready, let's look at how to use it with your Instax SQ6. It's important to know that the viewfinder on the Instax SQ6 doesn't show you precisely what the lens captures. So composing your shot through the viewfinder with the kaleidoscope attached can result in a skewed or inaccurate image. For accurate composition, view your desired image directly through the kaleidoscope first. Then, place your Instax SQ6 camera right up to the kaleidoscope's edge and take the picture. This provides a more accurate representation. Remember to avoid blocking the AE light sensor window and flash sensor window on your Instax SQ6 with the kaleidoscope, as this can lead to incorrect exposure for your photos. To learn more about the SQ6 modes, you can watch my beginner's guide video. When using selfie mode indoors, the flash created distinct patterns on my face. Outdoors, my photos generally looked clearer and better. The bright ambient light helped mitigate the flash's impact, making those distracting patterns far less noticeable. Of course, if you have plenty of natural sunlight, you always have the option to turn the flash off completely for even greater control over your final image. These are just a few starting points. Feel free to experiment with all the settings and light conditions to discover your own unique kaleidoscope effects. If you enjoyed this DIY kaleidoscope tutorial, please like this video, subscribe for more creative tutorials, and visit megandmorrow.com for additional resources and inspiration.